Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our science class. Who can tell me what is it today?
Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. Very good. It's Wednesday. And the date
November
is?
11. November 11,
Okay. Excellent. November 11. Draw. Okay, it's November 11, 2020. Okay, very good. All right, today we are going to take a new topic, new unit. We are going to take unit 4, lesson 1. How are living things grouped? Okay, that means that living things, all of them in groups, they are in many groups. Do you think that?
Yes.
Yes, of course. First of all, you know the basic grouping for animals?
Like mammals and reptiles.
Excellent, very good.
Yes,
Very good. Yes, and what? Mammals, reptiles,
Amphibians and insects.
amphibians, insects. Excellent, very good. Okay, they can be more grouped into more grouping? Really? Yes. Grouping or putting things in groups, we call it classifying. Okay, so we use the word classify to put living things in specific group, smaller groups. We want it to be more accurate. So we are going to classify each living thing into a different group to learn more about them, to know which group have different types, have different things. We will sort them into different groups based on what they have, on their characteristics maybe, or the way of living, or the way of giving birth. We will see today. Now look at this page. Why is the grass classified as a plant? Why is the mushroom not classified as a plant? What do you think? Why mushroom is not a plant? Try to think, okay? Before reading, try to think. Now, plant use what to make food?
Sunlight. Sunlight.
Yes, sunlight. Does mushroom need sunlight to make food?
No.
Why is that? Excellent. The answer is no. But why is that? Why do you think? Remember the plant cell? Where is the photosynthesis process will happen in the plant cell? And the plant cell always has something, girls. Remember? Yesterday we were talking about the difference between the plant cell and the animal cell. Remember the plant cell, it has three things that it's not in the animal cell. The cell wall and the large vacuole.
And chloral.
Yes, chloroplast. Okay, what do we do in the chloroplast? Or sorry, the plant. What does the plant do in the chloroplast?
It makes sugar.
Yes, it makes sugar. It uses what? Sunlight, is that right? So photosynthesis is gonna happen where? In the chloroplast. Now look at this mushroom. This mushroom, does it have chloroplast? What is the color of the chloroplast? Yes, excellent. It's always green. Green, green, green. Whenever you see green, you know that this is a chloroplast. So if it, why it's not classified as a plant? Because it doesn't have chloroplast. It doesn't make food from sunlight. So the plant uses sunlight to make food, but the mushroom is fungus. We call it fungus, and obtains food by breaking down dead organisms. How about that? Do you understand a word?
Yes.
Very good. Can you tell me what do you understand? I want you to explain to me in your way, please.
That the mushroom is not a plant because it doesn't have chloroplasts.
Mm-hmm.
And every plant that has every plant that has a chloroplast, it's bad,
Very
like
good,
not.
Jenna. I am so proud of you, Jenna. Okay, how does the mushroom make food? How does it make food?
Um,
By breaking down dead
by
or
breaking down his
you see the
organ.
page over here? Can you see the page, girls?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good, very good. So yes, excellent, yeah, Jenna. I'm so proud of you. So proud. Thank you very much. Now, living things, when they break down dead organism to obtain food, we call them fungus. Okay? So fungus is a type of classification. What else you know as a fungus? This is a fungus. This is a mushroom. If you don't know, it's fine. Today we are going to learn about them more and more. In this lesson, we are going to learn the words classification, genus, species, domain, and dichomatous key. Now, let's see what do we have next. I'm gonna open it like this. It's better for us to see. Then go to the next page. All right. Now, you can open your book with me. Okay. Just a minute. How about now, guys? Can you see the...
Yes, we can see the page.
You can or you can't?
We can.
Very good. Okay. Now, why classify? Why would you classify something? Can you tell me? Why would you go to your room and classify your stuff? Maybe you will look to your
I know why.
dresser and you will say, oh, my dresser need to be classified or my drawers need to be classified. Maybe you will label them. According to what or why would you do that? Yes, Yatala, tell me.
Because it will be easier to find things.
Excellent. It will be easier to find things. What else? Can you tell me why? Why would you do such a thing?
We can put maybe our like house clothes together and then our PJs together or
Yes.
our
You want,
clothes.
so it will be easier to find them, and also you will know what do you have. Is that right? You will know how many PJs you have or how many t-shirts you have. Maybe, can you be more specific? You will sort the red t-shirt from the white t-shirt from the gray t-shirt. See, you have many ways to sort things or even to classify them. Even for even for just a minute with the, even for types you can sort classify more things. Now, can you find the word classification and let's underline the meaning of classification.
Okay.
Okay.
Who can tell me what is classification? What does it mean?
Miss. Miss, I know.
Is that Maria?
I think Amal said first, so it's okay.
Is this Amal? Okay, girls, because I need to put, okay. You're not opening your cameras, so I don't know who's talking. Please, I would like to see your beautiful faces and also to know who is participating with me. Yes, Sunshine, Jenna. Lovely Fayroz. Guys, I missed you so much. I want to see you. What's that? Come on, come on. Everyone, open your cameras. Let me see you. Hello, Maria. White angel. Oh, you always wear white. Okay. Amal, do you want to answer? What is classification?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, please.
Classification to organize living things into similar groups.
Excellent, excellent. So, can I put the green with the red color, with the red t-shirts all together?
No.
It can be. Do you know why? Because they are all t-shirts. If I want to sort things by t-shirts, but if I want to sort things by colors, so no. Yes. Excellent. Thank you, Amai. Similar groups. What does it mean, similar groups? Things alike or things opposite each other?
Like.
Thing,
Alike.
thing alike. Excellent, excellent. So please underline classification to organize living things into smaller group. Okay? Did you do that?
Yes.
Okay.
Miss, where?
See, it's in page 176. Classification down here. Okay? Now look at this bird and this plant. This bird and this plant are both commonly called birds of paradise. Although they share this common name and are both colorful, they are very different. Clearly, they should not be grouped together. Of course. Should they be grouped together, guys?
No,
No. Why is that?
because the plant is different than a bird.
Excellent. Plant is not like a bird. Very good. Okay, but how can you classify them if the common name doesn't help? How can you classify them? I'll say this animal is from bird group and this branch is from the plant group. How about that? Or I can classify them animals and plants. See, classifying is really easy as long as you learn the groups and the kingdoms and the domain. Today we are going to learn what are the domain and what are the kingdoms. Okay, domains and kingdoms are the broadest level of classification. Okay, so they are the basics, they are the on top. Up there you'll find the domain, then you will find the kingdom. For example, the domain is bacteria, but the kingdom is also bacteria. We have domain bacteria, kingdom bacteria, we have domain archaea, and then also the kingdom is archaea, but eurychia Eukarya, sorry, Eukarya, the domain Eukarya has how many kingdoms? Four. It has animal, plant, and fungi, and protista. We say animalia, plantia, fungi, and protista. These are four kingdoms. When I say kingdom, what do you feel? Is it a huge thing or a small thing?
Huge thing.
Huge,
thing?
yes, it is very huge. Animalia, plantia. How many animals goes under the kingdom Animalia? How many kinds do you think, or how many sorts do you think?
I don't know.
Huh? How many type of animals goes under Animalia? Come on, girls. Come on, girls. You told me the groups under animals. What are the groups of animals?
So how many groups are in animals, or how many animals are there?
No, how many groups under animals can be? Under the kingdom of Animalia, how many groups you think there are? Or tell me some groups you think there are under Animalia.
Mm,
Girls, mammals,
three?
amphibians, birds. Can they be under animals? Can it be under animals? Does it sound right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
what about plants? Remember the plants?
Yes.
How many kinds or types of plants? Can you group them? Can you put them in groups?
Yes.
Okay, how? Tell me the
Basically,
type.
we just like maybe put like the flowers with the flowers,
Trees
and
with the
with the
trees.
trees.
Something we took in grade 4, remember? Something we took in grade 4. Some plants will grow only down, okay, like ferns and mosses, but some plants will grow up like trees, flowered trees.
Vert. What do you call it?
Yes,
It's
with
something I
V.
remember with
It's
V.
with V. Yes. Something
But
has tubes and the others doesn't have tubes.
yeah, I remember it. But
Yes,
vascular.
yes, excellent, Maria. Vascular and non-vascular plants. See, grouping is very easy as long as you know the types and species, okay? Now let's go to the next page and see over here. Look at these two snakes. What about these worms? They are not snake, sorry. Look at these worms and the snake. This is the worm and this is the snake. They have similar forms. Are they similar? That's why I got confused. See?
Yes.
So
Like they are like reptiles.
why do we give them different name though? Huh? Why
Because
do we?
the worms are small and the snakes are big. And
That's it?
some of the worms doesn't have like the poisonous that the snake has, and the
Okay.
tubes that
So
are
the
up there.
similarities can be that they can be the same shape or the same, they have the same look from the outside. What about the
But they're not
different?
different.
Some of snakes are very toxic. They have poison in them. But does worm have poison in them?
No, and they don't also have those things that they bring out the
Excellent.
poison.
Yes, excellent. So can we sort them in the same group now?
You can, but not. They're not really the same thing.
So you
But they have
cannot.
some similarities.
Yes, okay, very good, very good. Now find the word dichomatous key.
Miss, I found it.
Okay, Jenna, tell me, what does it mean? Dichotomous key.
Um,
Dichotomous key.
is, is a chart with many choices that give you to the name of the thing you want to
Excellent.
identify.
Very good. Very good. Okay, what do you understand? Is a dichotomous key?
That it's a chart.
Chart, yes, with many choices that guide you to the name of the thing you want to identify. So it's like the hint key for you. Whenever you want to find where is worms, where is snakes, it will give you a word to find in the chart. It will give you a chart to it will give you a word. It will tell you find this word to know the identification of the snake or of the worm or of this type. So it's just like a box, like a hint. Okay? It will give you the key how to search. Okay?
Okay.
Tala, can you explain it to me in your way? What do you understand from this word?
Classifying.
No, dichotomous key. What is a dichotomous key?
It's like a chart that you put in like how do you divide the reptiles and the animals and stuff.
It will give you words, okay, to learn how to search about it and how to identify it. All right, now let's use it. Let's have a practice on that. Now I want you to fill in the this is a dichotomous key, okay? This one is the dichotomous key. It will help someone determine which type of shoes or of shoes he or she is observing. You want to know what shoes you are observing, okay? So this chart is going to help you to identify the thing that you are looking for, okay? Now, is the shoes red? Yes or no? Let's do it together. Is the shoes red?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, if it's yes. Does the shoes have laces?
Yes. Some of
Yes,
them.
so it is what?
The same type.
No, from here. What is it? See, the shoes is red, so yes. The shoes have laces, so it's yes. So what is it? Is it a
Sneaker.
pump, a boot, or a sneaker, or a sandal?
Sneaker.
Of course. See, does this chart help you to learn to identify the thing you are looking for? Okay, now another
Yes.
example. If the shoes is not red, no. So the shoes have straps. If it's yes, now tell me, what is it?
Sandal. What?
If the shoes has straps. If you
Then
choose yes, so what is the shoes? If it
a
has
boot.
straps, a boot. If it doesn't have straps, but it's
Sandal.
not red, a sandal. Excellent. See, so this chart called a dichotomous key, a chart asking you questions to help you to identify the thing you want to learn about or the one you want to know. Now over here, remember the red shoes? We said yes, it's red. Now you can say, does it have laces or not? You can say yes or no. If it's yes, so it's a sneaker. If it's no, so what is it? Red shoes without laces.
It's a
What is it?
boot.
Are you sure, boot? Is it red, the boot?
Pump.
Pump.
Sandal.
It's a pump. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, very good. Now let's go to the next.
Miss, can people can be classified?
People can be classified. You tell me, can you classify people according to the word classification?
Yes.
Okay, how?
Similar.
Yes, from their
Maybe.
similar. See, classification means to organize living things into similar group. Now, can you classify us or human to similar groups?
Yeah, we could put them in mammals.
We can put them in mammals. Okay, Maria, can you
Yeah, because
classify
we
them
are
more?
mammals.
Okay.
Hmm.
Um.
Maybe I can answer that. I can classify people into kids, toddlers, teenagers, adults.
Tall and short.
Yes, tall and short. So classification is very easy, and you can make your own classification. But over here, we are learning about living things, how we can sort them, all the living things. Okay, every living thing. Now, take a look at this page, 2 pages. We are going to learn the word domain. What is a domain? Organisms are classified into one of 3 domains. We have 3 main domains. Remember the 3 main domains over here? What are the 3 main domains from this? It's page 176. What are the 3 main domains? See, we have 3 main domains over here. What are they? Bacteria, archaea, eukarya. See, we have 3 main domains. Okay? Guys, are you here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So you know what are the 3 main domains. Now, what do I mean by domain? Turn the page to find out. What is domain? Find the word domain and let's highlight it. Yes, Maria.
I found it.
Read it, please.
A domain is the broadest level of classification.
What does that mean? Organisms are separated into domains by their cell structures. As you continue down each level of classification, the organisms are more closely related to each other. Now, about their cell, remember when I talked to you about animal cell, plant cell, and even cells? When we studied about cells, we said that there is some species or some living things, they have only one cell. Who are they? Remember? Only one cell.
It starts with like A.
Algae. Yes, algae. Algae, and it contains what? Viruses. Remember? A virus is made of one cell, only one single cell. But what about our domain? Our domain called eukarya. Eukarya, sorry, eukarya. Eukarya has what? Animal, kingdom of animalia. Now, eukarya, this is what we are going to talk today. Eukarya has the kingdom of animalia. Animalia, under animalia, we have a lot of classification. See? Can you see them? So you can classify them. Kingdom, first of all, the domain. This is the main thing, okay? Eukarya, because they are multiple cells, there are plenty of cells made of plenty of cells and not a single cell, not only one single cell. So we have under eukarya the kingdom of animalia. Now, the kingdom of animalia, look at the kingdom. It has all the kinds of animals. The camel is in kingdom animalia. See, you can see a camel, a fish, a dolphin or a whale, an eagle or an owl, a deer or what does it call? A cricket. So all different kinds of animals. They are all under the kingdom because the kingdom is so big. What comes after the kingdom? It's a little bit smaller. We call it a phylum. Phylum is next. The organism in kingdoms are grouped into phyla. Okay, the camel is in the phylum of Chordata. So see over here, this is a phyla. All right, they removed the insect. No insect in the phylum. Then after that comes the class. The class can be broken into classes, and the camel is the class of mammalia. So what classes would you know about? What other classes would you know? If there is mammalia. Okay, mammals. Mammalia is the Latin word, but you can call it mammalia. What other classes would you recognize, guys? Come on, come on, come on. Mammals, and what else?
And
Amphibians, birds. See, these are classes. Okay, what comes after classes? You can specify them or classify them more into smaller groups, which is order. The next level of division is order. Camels are part of the order. What order? Artiodactylia, and we will learn what is Artiodactylia. Then family order can be further divided into families. Camels belong to the family Camelidae. All these words, guys, it's in Latin. It's Latin words, but it's easy to understand and easy to learn. It's similar to English. Then after a family comes a genus, then a species. Now, please tell me, what is the smallest part of all classification?
Reptiles.
No, 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 no. All these classification, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. What are the smallest?
Species.
Species, excellent. Comes after the species? Bigger than a species?
genus.
Yes, it's a genus. Okay, guys, that's it for today. We are going to do it again tomorrow and learn more about it tomorrow. And please, guys, if you have any question, prepare it for me so we can do it tomorrow. Today, time is up. I'm really sorry about that. But guys, I would like you to read the lesson again, read everything, try to go into YouTube, find videos about kingdoms classification or living things classification, and tomorrow we will do it again together to understand more. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for participating. Thank you. We'll see you, inshallah, tomorrow in a new class. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.